Are you looking for a stand mixer? In this video, I will show you the 5 best stand mixers based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the KitchenAid KSM 150 PSVB Artisan. Whether you need 9 dozen of your signature chocolate chips cookies or shredded chicken for Taco Tuesday with friends and family, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer has the capacity for every occasion. This durable tilt-head stand mixer was built to last and features 10 speeds to gently knead, thoroughly mix, and whip ingredients for a wide variety of recipes, and comes in over 20 colors to perfectly match your kitchen design or personality. The 4th product on the list is the Cuisinart Precision Master. Save your time and effort in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Precision Master 5.5-quart stand mixer. Delivering power, precision, and performance, this stand mixer features a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. Its ergonomic shape and design make work easy and convenient. It comes in a high-quality stainless steel bowl that has a 5.5-quart capacity. You can easily pour all your ingredients into this solid and spacious bowl for a good mix without spilling anything outside. The 3rd product on the list is the KitchenAid KSM 7586 POB. Burnished or coated metal flat beater, power knead spiral dough hook, and wire whip will help you mix, knead, and whip ingredients into culinary masterpieces quickly and easily. And for even more versatility, the Power Hub fits optional attachments from food grinders to pasta makers and more. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center. With more than 15 optional attachments, use the power of your stand mixer to help you make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds, and so much more. The 2nd product on the list is the SMEG 1950s. The new and improved SMF-02 has several positive upgrades from its predecessor, the SMF-01, most notably its whisk performance, body design, and the added compatibility to use a glass mixing bowl in addition to the stainless steel bowl that is included with the machine. With its new whisk performance, never scrape the bowl again. The SMF-02 now has the capability to whisk a minimum of just 2 egg whites in the bowl, and will perfectly reach all bowl walls with its planetary action mixing pattern, driven by its reliable direct drive motor. The motor has 10 variable speed options, all with a smooth start to eliminate spatter, and is equipped with overload protection to avoid damage to the unit. The newly redesigned body is composed of aluminum, making the machine stronger and more durable to ensure a long working life. The 1st product on the list is the Frigidaire ESTM 020. You make what you want to make, no matter how small or large that baked treat is. Food is not only a need, but also a source of joy and happiness, as well as comfort and celebration. Say goodbye to time-consuming and intensive hand mixing. The Frigidaire electric kitchen stand mixer contains a 380W high-power motor, a 4.75 QD stainless steel bowl, an 8-speed adjustable speed, and can swiftly mix. It can effortlessly help you produce biscuits, pizza, cakes, noodles, salads, breads, and other delights with its dough hook, egg beater, and whisk. The small design might help you save room in your kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.